Welcome to another data scale video. Today we will be showing the 5504 MS palletized drum and tote net weight filling machine. First, the operator inputs all the necessary parameters for the fill. Part of the service trip and installation includes training the operators on how to best program our machines. Afterwards, he will use the control console to move the palletized drums onto the scale. This system includes motorized conveyors, as you can see working presently. Once the drums are on the pallet, the operator can use the console on the fill head to properly aim the lance in the drum opening. Once it's properly aimed and brought down a little bit to ensure that it will not hit the drum, you can use the clamp button and then the start button on the filler to start the first fill. The S in 5504 MS stands for sub, or subsurface fill. This means the fill will start at the bottom of the container and pulse up to follow the level of liquid in your container. This allows for less splashing and to avoid foaming for certain liquids that require it. Once the fill is complete, it will raise to the top position, wait to allow for the lance to drain, and then raise all the way, extending a small drip catcher underneath. The first fill is slightly over, specifically 3 pounds overfilled. Our machines are equipped with a self-correcting system, and those 3 pounds of liquid that were most likely drained out of the lance following the shutoff of the machine are then taken into account on the next fill, where it hits the mark of the 100-pound target weight. The operator will follow the same steps for the third drum on this pallet: aiming, clamping, and then hitting the start button. While filling, thanks to the ladder logic programming, we can index the next container or pallet, whether it be drums or totes. Here, as you can see, the fill is ongoing while the indexing of the next pallet is being done. This allows for a higher throughput and more efficiency with one single system. Once again, the 100-pound mark is hit spot on as the machine is honing in on the exact correction factor. I would like to remind everyone that this is a fast-forwarded version and the fill may be a little bit slower, although this depends more specifically on pump speeds and other parameters. Once the fourth and final fill on this drum pallet is completed and the lance is in the fully raised position, the operator can use the console to exit this pallet off of the scale. Once the scale is clear of the filled pallet, the operator can use the control box to move the next pallet on, getting ready for the following fill. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, you can reach out to the phone number or email listed or visit our website.